Hi friends, welcome to MX. Now in this video I am going to show you about the basics concepts of first law of thermodynamics and its parameter which will be used very much for solving the problems. First, it comes with a closed system that total heat equal to total work done. What the curve 1 to 2 and 2 to 1 says in PV diagram, that is a pressure and volume diagram, the total amount of heat given is converted to work. You can see the process del Q equal to dE plus del W. Now what is to be known is, for an isolated system, energy is always constant and energy is a point function, and it's a property of system. Energy is a extensive property while specific energy is intensive. You should notice the difference. It will be useful for 1 mark. For ideal gas, internal energy depends only on the temperature. Now heat transfer for a closed system, that is, there are different types for constant volume, pressure, temperature. First, coming with constant volume, that's QV equal to integral T1 T2 CV dt. For pressure, that's Cp dt, the same integral T1 T2. So isothermal process, du equal to 0 because U is a function of temperature, and for ideal gas it's given as del Q equal to del W. In adiabatic process, there is no heat transfer, then del Q equal to 0. For polytropic process, you should remember the formula for which del Q equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by N minus 1 into mu minus N divided by mu minus 1. This is also knowing the polytropic work. What should be considered in this? Heat transfer at constant volume increases internal energy, and heat transfer at constant pressure increase the enthalpy of the system. What is enthalpy? It's the measurement of heat content in a body, which we discussed in the previous videos, and it has a unit of joule, and it is termed to be H equal to U plus PV. And coming to polytropic specific heat, Cn, that is the notation, mu minus N divided by 1 minus N, it will Cv, where N is termed to as polytropic index, where mu equal to Cp, that is divided by Cv. What is to be known as polytropic specific heat is always termed to be negative. It's a very important concept to be remembered. Then del Q equal to integral of del Q. You see that the equation integral mCn dt is to be remembered. Perpetual motion machine of first kind. It's a perpetual motion machine. What is that? There is no machine would continuously supply mechanical work without dissipating heat. Such fictitious machine is called perpetual motion machine. That is, a perpetual motion machine comes under the imaginary category. You have to remember what is a perpetual motion machine, for which it never supplies mechanical work without dissipating heat. Hope so friends, you understand the part of first law of thermodynamics. We will continue in the next part, for which we will be coming under various topics in first law of thermodynamics, which will be very much useful for solving the problems and clearing the 1 marks and 2 marks. If you like my video, please subscribe me. Thank you.